Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make the easiest kimchi. First, you'll need 1 large head of napa cabbage. Cut it into 2-inch pieces. Next, generously salt the cabbage with about 1/4 cup of coarse sea salt. Mix well and let it sit for 1 to 2 hours. This step is crucial for drawing out moisture and achieving that perfect crunch. While your cabbage is salting, prepare the flavorful kimchi paste. In a bowl, combine 1/4 cup of gochugaru, 6 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 3 tablespoons of fish sauce or a vegan substitute for a rich umami flavor. Mix everything thoroughly until it forms a thick, vibrant paste. After the cabbage has wilted, rinse it under cold water several times to remove excess salt, then drain it well. Now, put on some gloves to protect your hands. Add the prepared paste to the cabbage and mix everything together thoroughly, ensuring every piece is coated. Pack the kimchi tightly into a clean, airtight jar, pressing down to remove air bubbles. Let your kimchi ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, depending on your preference for sourness. You'll notice small bubbles forming, indicating active fermentation. After this initial period, transfer it to the refrigerator, where it will continue to ferment slowly and keep for several weeks. Enjoy your homemade kimchi as a side dish or in various recipes. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.